Hey Ka-Vibes, always remember blow baguettes before you hit the road. Check your battery, lights, oil, water, brakes, air in tires, gas, engine, tires, and most importantly, yourself. Are you alert and ready? Stay safe. A good vibes reminder from GB 99.1.
I have headache. I have body pain. Pag flu. Pwedeng flu. Mag-BioFlu. Dahil pag may 2 symptoms, pwedeng flu yan. BioFlu. Kaya anumang sintomas ng flu.
Unilab yan. Phenylephrine, HCl, chlorphenamine, maleate, paracetamol. It's the generic name of BioFlu. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
2 or more symptoms? Baka flu na yan. I-BioFlu na.
I am a woman. I am a woman. I am a woman.
I am a woman.
I am a woman. And I am for equality and a society free of discrimination.
I am a woman.
And I celebrate our differences. As we acknowledge the month of women, may we also support the aim for a world free of stereotypes and partiality.
Happy Women's Month from TV 99.1. Your good vibes.
Your good vibes. Your good vibes. Your good vibes.
Your good vibes.
Mommy, gustong atin lata, liyo, putla, bota kulang kadaya. Minom kang United Home for Sulfate Iron. Saw, para malusuging daya at malino ang itsura. Kaya bening ustong dieta at ehersisyo.
Unilab yan.
Iron is the generic name of United Home for Sulfate Iron. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor. United Home for Sulfate Iron. Healthy blood para sa healthy glow.
Driving your weekend with a twist. Para sa programa ikaw ang bida kahit saan ka man pumunta. Drive doon, drive dito. Kasama ang inigisang Diyos sa Fantasia, DJ Gandara. Yan ay sa programa niyong Drive Thru. Sa programang kulitan, tawanan at yakikay ay may matututunan. Catch me every Saturday from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Only here at your #1 Good Vibes station, GB